Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope all are good. Today we have a guest. See the guest. What is this? It is the human skeleton. Okay, students, human skeleton. We all have an internal bone system. Okay, students, means internal framework of bones. It is the framework of bones. Understand, students? We have different type of bones. Okay, different type of bones in the skull. Then different type of bones here. It is also rib cage. Then backbone. Backbone is there. Okay, students. Then see, students. Joints are there. Okay, joint with the legs. Legs are there. Okay, students. So it's attached in a. It attached each other. आपस में attach किया हुआ है. Joints are there. Okay, students. Then it arranged in a definite manner. See, सबसे ऊपर head. Then chest, rib cage. Okay. Then पीछे students. Vertebral column, backbone, hands. Okay. Side में hands. Okay, students. The bottom legs. Okay, students, understand? See, these are bones. These are bones, framework of bones. Okay, students. See, it is hard outside. Already bones are hard, strong. Okay, ये hard है, strong है, rigid, कठोर है. Understand, students? See, it is hard outside. Outside में bones hard है. But there is an inner part also. Okay, there is an inner portion like jelly part, soft part. It is bone marrow. अंदर एक हमारा जो देखो ये बोन का अंदर है एक थोड़ा सा पानी का ऐसे एक सॉफ्ट पार्ट है. अंडरस्टैंड स्टूडेंट? इसको बोलते हैं जेली टाइप. इसको बोलते हैं बोन मारो. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, अंडरस्टैंड? We have soft inner portion. It is called a bone marrow. All of us have skeleton made up of the same kind of bones arranged in the same way inside the body. Okay, all of us have same kind of skeleton. All human beings have same kind of skeleton. All donkeys have same kind of skeleton. All dogs have same kind of skeleton. But there are some difference because of age. छोटा बड़ा हो सकता है. ओके, बड़ा साइज होता है बड़ा लोग, छोटा साइज छोटा. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, अंडरस्टैंड? द नंबर ऑफ बोन्स एन अडल्ट ह्यूमन बीइंग इज द सेम. सब में सेम बोन्स है. ज़्यादा बोन्स किसी को भी नहीं है. ज़्यादा बोन्स है तो वो थोड़ा सा प्रॉब्लम हो जाएगा. अंडरस्टैंड स्टूडेंट्स? एन अडल्ट हैज़ 206 बोन्स. एन अडल्ट हैज़, बड़े लोग हैं उसको कितना है? 206 bones. Okay, there are some difference in small students. थोड़ा सा bones ज़्यादा है. Okay, when it grow up, then it will join. Understand students? Then an adult has, बड़े लोग को, okay, 206 bones. Okay, only the size of bones differs. Already I told you, size of the bones are differs. Size में इसमें थोड़ा सा difference आ जाएगा. छोटा बड़े, छोटे लोग को छोटे, बड़े लोग को बड़े. Okay, a tall person has tall bones. Already we understood. Tall person है तो tall bones होगा. Understand? Then small child has small bones only. Okay, student? Then now let us learn some functions are there. इसको कुछ responsibility है, हमें कैसे help करता है skeleton. Okay, students? It supports the body. It supports the body. देखो, we can move, we can walk, raise our hand. Then because it supports, this bone supports us to move. Movement के लिए ये help करता है. Understand? It gives us shape. This framework is there. That is why we can able to walk properly. Understand, students? Then it protects. Then internal organs. See, internal organs are there. Yesterday I told you. See, students, head is inside the rib cage. Then lungs are there. Brain inside the skull. Understand, students? Delicate, soft internal organs are there. So these bone system protect the internal organs also. It helps us to move. Okay. Then it protects the body. Okay. It shapes the body. This framework gives us shape. Okay, it supports the body. Okay, students. Then why are bones are had? A special information. Okay, bones are made up of two parts. Bones are made up of two parts. Then a living part and a non-living part. Living part is there. हमारा body का अंदर living part is there. Then non-living part is there. The non-living part consists of a protein and mineral crystals of calcium phosphate. See, non-living part means उसमें जिंदा नहीं है. हमारा बॉडी के अंदर ये बोन्स का अंदर लिविंग पार्ट भी है. बोन्स बड़ा होता है, बच्चा जब बड़ा हो जाएगा, so when a child grown up, this bones also ये bones भी बड़ा होना शुरू करेगा. Understand, students? A longer person has long bones. A small child has small bones. When the child grown, this bones also started grown. Understand, students? Along with child, it because it can grow, but there are some non-living things also. There are some non-living part of bones also. Okay, non-living part consists of protein. Protein, mineral crystals, and calcium phosphate. Okay, the mineral crystals are responsible for the hardiness. हमारा bone में hardiness है, थोड़ा सा कठोर है. क्यों? Why? We have mineral crystals. We have mineral crystals in our body. That is why we have hardness in our bones are hard. Understand, students? Then rigidity and strength of bones. This mineral crystals gives us strength, rigidity, and hardness. Understand, students? Okay. Now let us learn about skull. See the skull? It is the skull. Okay, students, the bony framework of the head. Bony framework of the head. It is called the skull. It is made up of several flat, extremely strong. See, several ये flat है ना, देखने में ये flat लग रहे हैं ना. Several flat bones are there. एक bones नहीं है. Several अलग-अलग bones are there. Understand, students? Then extremely strong, hard. Then and देखो, हम अगर नीचे गिर गया तो थोड़ा सा ऊंचाई में नीचे गिरो, ये स्कल जल्दी नहीं टूटेगा. It is so hard, extremely hard. Understand, students? Strong bones are there. स्कल में क्या है? Strong bones. Then the bones join together to form a very strong hollow structure. Hollow structure means within space, inside. Inside में space है. Hollow structure means अंदर कुछ है. देखो, brain is inside. Okay, brain, it protects the brain. It protects the brain system. Eyes, tongue, nose. See, eyes. It protects the eyes. It protects the nose. Then nose means बाहर हमारा जो दिख रहे नहीं है. There is some parts inside the bone. Okay, there is some parts inside the bone. Then here also, see, bone देखो इधर तक है. देखो ये bone का अंदर है हमारा आँख. Okay. Understood? So this bone, this structure of the bone protects the eyes, nose. Okay, students. Then ears is there. Ears, tongue. Bones are there. See, bones है सब. Okay. Nose, internal ears. Internal ears है हमारा. ये देखो, ये external ear है. वो बाहर जो दिखता है ये क्या है? External ear. Okay. Internal ears is inside. Understand, students? Skull. So, okay, you understood? Several flat bones are there. It is so strong, extremely hard. Understand, students? It protects eyes, nose, then internal ears. Yes, हमारा ये external है, अंदर भी yes है. Tongue. Okay, students? Brain system is inside. It is very important. Okay, brain system is inside the skull. Okay, students, understood? Okay, now see, I will explain you once again. Students, see, human skeleton, internal framework. Okay, we have an internal framework of bones. Okay, an adult has 206 bones. हमारा शरीर में कितना बोन्स है? 206 bones. Okay, then several type of bones are there. Okay, bones in the hands, chest part, head there, legs are there, many type of bones are there. 206 bones total. Okay. Then bones are rigid, hard and strong. Our bones are rigid, kadar. Okay, student. So hard, strong. Then bone marrow. What is bone marrow? Soft inner portion of the bone. हमारा ये जो बोन का अंदर है, ओके, देयर इज एन इनर पार्ट इन द बोन्स. बोन का अंदर है इनर पार्ट, सॉफ्ट डेलिकेट लाइक जेली, एक जेली पार्ट है, उसको बोलता है बोन मारो. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, बोन मारो. नाउ फंक्शंस ऑफ द स्केलेटन. ये स्केलेटन का फंक्शन से क्या क्या करते हैं? सी, इट सपोर्ट्स द बॉडी. इट्स हमारा बॉडी को सपोर्ट करता है. वी आर स्टैंडिंग लाइक दिस. सी, वी आर स्टैंडिंग, वी कैन वॉक, we can sit anywhere because we have bones, that is why. Okay, this bones supports the body. Okay, then it protects the organs inside the body. We have delicate soft part of internal organs are there. Okay, heart is in the chest part, lungs is there. Okay students, brain system in the skull. Okay, it helps the body to move. It helps the body to move. हमें मूव करने के लिए हेल्प करता है. ओके, देन स्कल. ओके, फ्रेमवर्क ऑफ द हेड. फ्रेमवर्क ऑफ द हेड, हमारा हेड में एक फ्रेमवर्क है, इसको क्या बोलता है? स्कल. फ्लैट, इट इज फ्लैट. फ्रेमवर्क हेड है फ्लैट. several flat bones are there. Okay, head, it is so hard. Then very strong hollow structure. Hollow structure means within space, there is some space inside the skull. Okay, hollow structure. Then it protects the brain. It protects the brain, eyes. Okay, then tongue, nose and internal ears. Okay students, understood? Okay, now you can read the chapter. Okay, tomorrow I will explain to you later parts. Okay.